guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another subscription box to share with you. This one is called Weave TASSY. What it is a handmade jewelry subscription box. You get these handmade bracelets and it's $18 a month, or if you prepay for 3 or 6 months, you can get a discount. And you get these fabulous bracelets. And when she contacted me, she asked my wrist size so that she could make sure that they fit me. So I'm not sure if that would, if that's a thing when you sign up, you say, my wrist is 7 inches, or however big your wrist is, I don't even know. So anyway, here is the first one. It has this kind of woven teal thing, matches my shirt, how cute. And then a little leaf charm. Do you see that? Which I think is super cute, and it is adjustable. And then the second one, also adjustable, has this cute little ring charm bead thing on it. And then I have a third one that I have actually been wearing around my ankle for the past couple of weeks, because I got this box a couple weeks ago, and I immediately tied this one onto my ankle because I really wanted an anklet. And it's just, one of those old school like friendship bracelet styles. I tied the knot too tight and it's wet right now because I just took a shower, so I can't get it off. So this is why I have my leg up in the air, but it is really cute and it's comfortable, and I love that kind of a thing. It's perfect for summer. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. I thought this was really cute, and she packaged it. There's some like little stickers in here and a couple things. And she does have an Etsy shop, even if you don't want to subscribe, but you want to check out some of her jewelry. So I will make sure to link that as well. And see, this is how it's spelled. Anyway, it's really cute and I'm really loving this. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.